here we are in the evening. It's about 5 o'clock now. Everyone's having their rice cut around here. So the combine harvester is doing our rice now. So we've only got like about 3 rye to cut, about 3 acres. I call it acres, but it's not acres, it's rye, yeah, in Thailand. But yeah, you see, in this survival situation, you need to grow your own food. That's the most important thing. Hopefully we get about 20 bags of rice so that we can use it throughout the year. I mean, if you don't prep now, with all this crazy stuff going on in this world, could be World War III any minute. So best to prep, guys. Grow your own food, make a homestead. But I know it's hard to grow rice, but if you're in a different country, you can grow wheat or barley or hops or anything like that, and you could trade or barter with that. So in my view, land is king. If you got land, you'll do all right if you can farm it. And see the sunset in there. It's a beautiful evening on the homestead. Beautiful. So these harvesters work all night, throughout the night, cutting rice. They don't waste their time. I think it's about 650 baht for one night they cut, so it's about 15 quid, which ain't bad if you get 30 bags of rice, right? Anyway, see you later. If you like my videos, give us a comment, give us a like. In the olden days, they used to do all this by hand. Can you imagine how hard it is? Now, got modern equipment, and it's the harvesters that make the money now, cutting everybody's rice, because those machines are expensive. They're not cheap. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. That's the rice. How much rice there is. So this is how much rice we got yesterday. Quite a lot from the fields. From 3 rye of land. So I'm just going to dry this out today, because it has to be dried. So I'm going to rake it all out. Okay.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, so baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day.
That's it, all spread out. There's me like an idiot using a rake, yeah? And my wife's friends come, and this is the tool you need. Okay, this is the tool that you can turn over the rice. It'd be much easier if I had this earlier. You can rake it like this. Special tool to even out the rice, or you can turn it that way and use it to spread the rice instead of me like an idiot using a rake, which took me twice as long. But anyway, I'm not a farmer. You live and learn, eh? That's the thing. Of growing your own food, you have to learn the tricks of the trade. So if I had this tool, I wouldn't have spent an hour raking it around in the hot sun in the morning. Okay then, if you like my videos, please subscribe and like and comment. Have a nice day. The rice harvest is nearly done.